It's day 217 of scaling this branded Shopify dropshipping store to 7 figures. And let's see where we are. We are in August. You can see we've done 16K in August so far. Let's go all the way back to the beginning of the year because we have some great news. Drum roll. Let's come all the way through to present day. We've done 7 figures in the year so far. So challenge over. We've hit 7 figures in a year. What's the plan for the rest of the year for this store? We're only in August. We're going to try and scale this to 2 mil now for the rest of the year, potentially more because we still have Q4. We're in a very, very good position to scale through Q4. We've found some winning ads. We're publishing 10 to 20 new ads into the Meta Ads campaign every single week. A lot of them are getting some good spend now. They are converting very well. We've found some new winners. Now we're just going to increase the spend. All we do is we have a very simple campaign structure. You can see we have 2 campaigns. We have one main campaign and we have a discounts campaign. The discounts campaign is only running at $100 per day. And the main campaign, CBO campaign, where we put 10 to 20 new ads every week, is running at $2,300 per day. But as we come into Q4, we are going to up that quite aggressively. We have everything in place to scale this massively. We've got August, September, and October to continue scaling those ads slowly and incrementally, and then through November and December going really hard and squeezing every penny out of this store through Q4. We have all of our fulfillment set up and ready to go. It is completely streamlined. We fulfill using our supplier BS Dropshipping, and they know from last year where this store scaled heavily through Q4, they know it's going to happen again. So they're fully prepared, and they have all of our branding set up. So with BS Dropshipping, you can set up custom branding. You can add thank you cards to the products. You can have custom boxes, custom polymailers. We also print our logo on the product. So we'll leave a link in the description to BS Dropshipping. They can handle a huge amount of orders and they can brand all of the products for you and still allow you to dropship. They dropship from China, which means we don't have any bottlenecks when it comes to fulfilling to multiple different countries. You could see here, shipping speeds to Australia are getting faster. We make a lot of sales in Australia, in the US, in the United Kingdom, to Canada. We make a lot of sales to multiple different countries because we are able to fulfill with BS Dropshipping. So our supplier is able to fulfill to all of these different countries with pretty fast shipping and branded packaging. So that's it. We've scaled to 7 figures in the year. That was the plan. And now it's continue pushing. Make sure to subscribe so you can continue to see the journey. What we're going to get to by the end of this year is super exciting, and I want to continue sharing this journey with you. And that's it for this video. There's not really much else to say. Let me know in the comments if there's a specific video you want me to make, if there's a question you have. I want your video ideas. I'm happy to make more videos about what we're doing on this store here. We'll see you in the next one.